Pour milk over beef steaks and be surprised by the results of this combination. Start by adding 100 grams of wheat flour to 3 beef steaks in the cut of your choice. Coat well on both sides, just like this, and set aside. Next, in a large skillet over medium-low heat, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter and stir until melted. When that happens, add 1 drizzle of olive oil, the beef steaks we prepared, and fry them on both sides. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the right point. Now pour in 200 milliliters of milk at room temperature and season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 pinch of black pepper. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Also, add 1 teaspoon of oregano, cover the skillet, and let it all cook for 5 minutes. This is the right point. Finish by adding parsley to taste. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe. Now, I'll head back to the comments section and we'll continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city, and I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye!